Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix ChatGPT not responding or showing a blank chat screen on iPhone. If the app opens but nothing loads or the chat stays empty, here's a quick way to get it working again. Step number 1, what you're gonna do is close the ChatGPT app completely, swipe it up from the bottom of your screen, find ChatGPT and swipe it away. This forces the app to reload fresh. Check your internet now. Next, you're gonna check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and to make sure it's not weak or blocked network issue. Next, what you're gonna do is clear Safari cookies. Go ahead and open your settings app, search for Safari, scroll down and then click on clear history and website data. Then click on clear history, and this will remove old cached seasons that can cause blank screens. Next, let's go ahead and update your ChatGPT app. Search for ChatGPT and then see if there is an update button available. Then just click on update if there is, and if there is an open the app, if there is an open option, then that means your ChatGPT is updated to the latest version. And in the last, what you're gonna do is restart your iPhone and to clear any background glitches or reopen ChatGPT. Privacy tip: always use your official ChatGPT app from the App Store. Avoid modified or third-party versions. They can cause glitches or expose your data. Quick fix: if it's still blank, delete the ChatGPT app, reinstall it from the App Store and sign back. Log into the ChatGPT chat.openai.com in Safari first. Then this often refreshes your sessions and restores the chat screen when you switch back to the app. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.